everybody, and welcome to Shopping with Shana. So here we are in another week of some Meijer must-do deals that start on Sunday, October 11th and go through the 17th of 2020. And of course, this is a new type of series of videos that I am doing currently, and I'm hoping to build an audience so I can keep doing these. So if you want to keep seeing these, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you hit subscribe, you ring the notification bell, you share this video, you tell other people about my Meijer deals, all that good stuff, so I can keep doing these deals. I am going to try to do this for a little while longer to see if I can build up an audience, but I definitely need more views if I'm going to keep doing this for the long term. So before we get going, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. I also do Kroger videos, Walmart hidden clearance videos, all kinds of fun things, so make sure that you are subscribe so you don't miss those awesome videos as well. So let's check out what's going on at Meijer this week. All right, so we just have some freebies right off the bat. We have, I think you say it Owie, I'm not real sure, O-U-I. Anyway, they have these Yoplait layered desserts that looks, I don't know if it's a 2 count or a 4 count, but anyway, it's free. So I did look it up. It's regularly priced $3.99. So this is an amazing deal. Just a freebie. You just have to clip it, then go to the store. Another freebie is going to be your So Delicious dairy-free yogurt pairings. Again, we're getting another one. So I've had one now 3 weeks in a row, so one each week. Awesome. And then another of these Dan & Light and Fit collagen yogurts. I wasn't able to get mine last week. My stores do not carry this one, so I am not able to get this. If you have gotten this, let me know in the comments where you're from and where you're getting them, because I cannot find them in my local Meijer anywhere. Another easy freebie here is the Edge Shave Gel, regular price $2.99. There is an imperk that you're going to load for 3 off 1. And so what will happen is it'll actually reduce it to $2.99, making it completely free. You won't have that 1 cent of overage, but free. Hey, might as well grab it. This is an amazing deal. Another freebie and a bit of a moneymaker, you want to grab 2 of the U by Kotex pads that are regularly priced $2.99 each. Now they're on sale this week for buy one, get one 30% off. So it's going to be a total of $5.08. You're going to use 2 of the $1 off 1 from Smart Source 1011 that just came out. You're going to pay $3.08. Submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1 up to 5 times. So you're actually going to get $4 back. Final cost is going to be completely free plus a 92-cent moneymaker. And you could actually buy 4 and do this deal twice. So if you wanted to do it all in the same transaction, you could end up making double the 92-cent moneymaker. Great deal there. Another pretty sweet deal is Dove Men Plus Care Shampoo 12 ounces, regularly priced $4.59. There's a 2 off 1 imperk that you'll load. You'll pay $2.59, and then Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on 1 up to 3 times. Final cost is going to be $1.59 for just one of these. I know I put each on there, but it's just basically one of these because you're only going to have one of the 2 off 1 imperk. Then go ahead and submit to Fetch for your points there, so you're going to have more savings there. Another great deal here with Dove Men Plus Care is the body wash. So these are regularly priced $4.69 for the 13.5 ounce. There's also a $2 off 1 imperk, so you're going to pay $2.69. And now this one has an Ibotta rebate for 2 back on 1 up to 3 times. Final cost for one of these is just 69 cents. That's amazing. But I have a better deal if you can put both of these together. So there is a deal on Dove Men's Plus Care products. Buy one, get one 30% off. So if you grab both of these items, one of the Dove Men Plus Care body washes that are $4.69, that one will be regular price. And then one of the Dove Men Plus Care shampoo 12 ounce regular price is $4.59. Now that one will take 30% off. So the total for those would have been $9.28, but with the buy one get one 30% off deal, it's going to be $7.90. You're going to use both of the 2 off 1 digital or imperk coupons, I should say, one for the body wash, one for the shampoo. You're going to pay $3.90, and then you're going to get back 2 for the body wash and $1 for the shampoo. Final cost is 90 cents total, or 45 cents each. And then again, you want to submit to Fetch. This is amazing. So definitely grab this deal. It is an awesome deal on these Dove products. All right, here's another pretty decent deal on some St. Ives body wash, 22 ounce, regularly priced $4.19. There is an imperk for 50% off one. So you'll pay out of pocket $2.10. Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on one, so your final cost for one of these is going to be $1.10. And again, you want to submit to fetch. All right, we're back at it again. These Whole Earth sweeteners, 40 counts. These are regularly priced $2.99. If you haven't already used your imperk for $1.50 off one, you have that, or there's $1.50 off one from Retail Me at $9.20. You'll pay $1.49. Ibotta has a rebate for $1.50 back on one up to 5 times. Final cost is free. I grabbed one 2 weeks ago. I grabbed 2 last week. So definitely doing this deal again once my Ibotta reloads and grabbing more of these because these are great for keto. Another great deal here. Now, the next 2 slides, it's the same coupon, so you can do either or. This one, if you grab 2 of the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes that are 25 count, these are regularly priced $5.19. We have an imperk for 5 off 2. If you don't have that, there is $1 off 1 in Smart Source $9.13. Final cost is going to be $2.60 each. Now there's another deal on the next slide with the same coupon, so if you don't want the makeup remover, you may want the next deal. This one's actually a little bit better of a deal because it's a little bit cheaper. So you'll grab 2 of the Neutrogena Fresh Foaming Cleansers that are regularly priced $4.69. Again, you'll use the 5 off 2 imperk. Your final cost is going to be $2.19 each. You could actually do one of each, one of the one on the last slide and one on this one, and then it would change the numbers there, but you could do that if you wanted to grab one of each. All right, here's not a terrible deal here. Not my favorite deal though, but grab 2 of the Kraft Single American Cheese 16 count, the regularly priced $3.79. We have $1 off 2 imperk that you can load. You're gonna pay $6.58, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one up to 2 times. So you'll get a whole $1 back. Final cost is gonna be $2.79 each. Okay deal. And if you're gonna get the cheese anyway, you might as well grab this. Del Monte Oats to go. These are regularly priced $2 each. They are on sale for $1.67 each. There's a 50 cent off one imperk that you can load, or there's a 50 cent off one in Smart Source $8.23. You'll pay out of pocket $1.17, and then Ibotta has a rebate for 50 cents back on one up to 5 times. So your final cost is going to be 67 cents each. Kind cereal, the 10-ounce box is regularly priced $5.99. We are on sale for $4.99. There is a $1.50 off one imperk that you can load. You'll pay out of pocket $3.49. And then Ibotta has a huge rebate for 3 back on one up to 5 times. Final cost is 49 cents for one of these. And even if if you like this cereal, you want to grab more of these, that 3 off 1 Ibotta Ibotta rebate is absolutely amazing. So you could definitely grab more for a little bit more of a cost. Bob's Red Mill Granola 11 ounce is regularly priced $5.99. It's on sale for $3.99, and then we have a $1.50 off one imperk that you can load. You'll pay $2.49. Ibotta has a rebate for $1.50 back on one, meaning your final cost is going to be 99 cents for one of these. Considering it's normally $6, this is awesome. So this deal is still going on this week if you didn't grab it last week. Now, I actually did use my digital last week, but that doesn't mean I can't do this again and use a printable coupon. So Kellogg's Rice Krispies Cookies and Cream Cereal, that's regularly priced $3.29. Again, it's on sale this week for $2.49. There is an imperk if you didn't use it last week, or you can use the printable coupon from the Kellogg's website. There's also $1 off 2 in Retail Me at $9.96. You'll pay $1.49, and then Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on one on these. Final cost 49 cents each. That's amazing. Magnum ice cream bars are regularly priced $4.39 each. They're on sale for $3.49. There is a $1 off one imperk, so your final cost is going to be $2.49. And that's just for one of them. So if this is I've actually never tried these Magnum ice cream bars. Are they good? Are they bad? Are they worth $2.49? Or should I just pass? This deal is back again, or it's still available to you. Again, if you haven't used your $1 off 2 in perk, this is still available. So we still have the Almond Breeze yogurts regularly priced at $1.99. If you haven't used your $1 off 2 in perk, you'll pay out of pocket $1.49 each. You'll submit to Ibotta for $1 back on each of those. Final cost 49 cents each. Here's a new one. So Plum Organics Jammy Sammy. You want to grab one of these. They're regularly priced $3.46. There's a $1 off 1 in perk that you can load. You'll pay out of pocket $2.46, and then Ibotta has a rebate for $1 back on one, meaning your final cost is going to be $1.46 for one of these. I've actually never heard of this product before until I started putting this together today. So is it any good? Let me know in the comments. Another great one here, Simply Almond. It's like an unsweetened, I don't know if it's almond milk or almond juice. I'm not real sure what it is. Again, another product I'd never heard of until I started putting this together. So these are regularly priced $3.99. They're on sale for $3, and then there's a $1 off 2 in perk. So you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $5 out of pocket. You're going to submit to Ibotta for $1 back on one, so twice. You'll get $2 back, and your final cost is going to be $3 total, or $1.50 each. If you have a dog and you need some wet dog food, Purina Bella wet dog food 3.5 ounce trays, regularly priced 78 cents each. You want to grab 4 of them, and that totaled would be $3.12. There is a $1.50 off 4 in perk that you can load, so you'll actually pay out of pocket $1.62, and then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on 4, and the final cost is going to be $1.12 total, or 28 cents each. That's awesome. And if you are still needing to stock up on even more dog food, you might as well grab this deal too, because it's a pretty sweet deal. So the Purina Bella wet dog food variety packs, the 12 count, that are regularly priced $8.78. That is completely crazy. So these are, there is a huge 4 off 1 in perk that you can load, and you'll pay out of pocket $4.78. Then you can submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back on one. So your final cost is going to be $3.28 for one of these, which does equal out to be about 27 cents each. So slightly better than the one we did before. But honestly, if you're going to use this, you might as well grab both deals and work on some Ibotta bonuses. Happy Foodie Oatmeal. This is regularly priced $3.49. It's on sale for $3 this week. You're going to pay that out of pocket. Ibotta has a rebate for 75 cents back on one up to 3 times. Final cost is $2.25. Now this is a pretty good deal considering these pecans are normally almost $10. So what you want to do is grab 2 of the Fisher pecans that are regularly priced $9.99 each. They're on sale this week for buy one, get one free. So you're going to pay $9.99 for 2 of them. Ibotta has a rebate for $2 back on one, so you're going to get $4 back. Plus, when you buy 2, there is a $4 Catalina, which means your final cost is going to be $1.99 total, or $1 each. Since these are normally $10, that is a 90% savings. Absolutely amazing. Definitely want to grab these this week. All right, so we have a deal going on now. I've worked up a scenario for you here. So the household essentials, the idea is you want to kind of mix and match these items and get up to $50 worth of Tide, Bounce, Downy, those types of products. And then $15 is going to come off instantly. But it gets even better. If you order this and go do pickup, you're going to have an absolutely amazing deal. So let me go over how this could work. Now I'm giving you one scenario on the next slide, but if you want to change it up, you can still get an amazing savings. So my suggestion is grab one of the Tide Pod 61 count that's $17.99, one of the Bounce Dryer Sheets 200 count that's $5.99, then grab one of the Tide Liquid Laundry Detergent 154 ounce that's $19.99, and one of the Downy Liquid Fabric Softener 81 ounce that's $6.99. So that's going to take you to a total of $50.96. Now $15 is going to come off instantly. Then there is an imperk that you can load for 15 off $50 for Tide, Bounce, Gain, or Downy. So that's another $15 that's going to come off. And then there's also a 15 off 50 or more from when you order from Meijer.com and you go and do pickup. Okay, so you want to go do pickup on this. So that is going to take you down to $45 off. Then you'll also have a 2 off 1 Tide imperk that will come off, as well as a 3 off 1 Bounce imperk. Final cost is 96 cents total, or 24 cents each. This is absolutely amazing deal. Now I'm actually working on the deal for myself, and I'm actually changing it up a little bit. We don't really like to use the pods at my household, so we always use the liquid. So I'm grabbing 2 of the liquid and 2 of the Bounce dryer sheets to get my deal. So I'm actually going to pay a little bit more than 96 cents, but I'm getting things that I'm actually going to use and still have an amazing deal there. And I also threw in my freebies, so I didn't have to go in store and try to find them. They're just going to be a part of the deal. So this may be a great week to go ahead and just order all of your stuff online and just pick it up and not even have to walk in the store, because it's going to be an amazing deal. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a great big thumbs up. Please leave me a comment in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure you're following me on all my social media accounts and all those good things. And again, if you want to keep seeing these Meijer videos, please promote this. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week.